Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Obviously this is a look that I wear every day. I'm about to go out and nip out, go out with the girls, have some fun, and I just thought I'd quickly record what I would wear like every day. It's nothing special, you know. And imagine I didn't even need to like fill in my brows properly, like, but this is the look I got, and I'm quite happy with it, to be honest, because like I look grown and I look classy and I look ready to go out. So if you like this look, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know. Love you. Okay, so first off, I'm taking my Revolution serum and I'm using that to prime my face, just to give it a very smooth canvas. And I'm going in with the Juvias Place foundation, and I've mixed it with a bit of moisturizer just to give me like a very light base. I don't really want to go full coverage and heavy because I'm gonna place my foundation and my contour and my highlight, and I just want to keep it very light at this point. So I've basically taken in my concealer and I am concealing with this shade, and I'm just going underneath my eyes, on my cupid's bow, on my nose, on my forehead, just basically the places where I want to attract light. So yeah, at first I'm keeping it very neutral with the shade, and I just love the shade, it's so golden. I'm also going in with my cream contour by Cover FX, and I'm using that to contour my face alongside my matchmaster foundation in the shade 9, and I'm basically putting that all over my face. And with my Real Techniques contour brush, I'm just blending that out. As you can see, blending. You don't want to over rub, you just want to pat it on the skin just so that it disperses and diffuses into your skin and carves out the shape of your face. So that's what I am doing. This technique is very similar to the Scott Barnes technique, however I have my own twist to it. So I have taken my beauty blender and I'm using it to basically just blend out, as I usually do. Blend out. Basically you want this highlighter to catch all the places where the light is gonna really bounce off it, and that's what we want. We gon' you know, be bouncing off and reflecting, girl. So yeah, and what I've done is taken some of my foundation shade and I'm just basically diffusing the concealer with the contour. So I'm using that foundation shade to just diffuse everything and blending out my face with it, blending out my contour, just blending everything out with the highlight. Sorry guys, I'm so tired. This quarantine life is just not for me, honestly. It's really getting to me now. And yeah, so that foundation is an intermediate, like it's like a transitional color. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going back in with that contour brush and I'm just basically reinforcing the places where, you know, I've blended it and it's gotten lost. So that's what I'm doing, going back in. So you kind of want to bounce between your brushes and your beauty blender just to make sure everything is like blended but no shade overtakes the other shade. So that's what I'm doing. And now I'm using a lighter concealer from Revolution. I love this highlighter just to brighten it up a little bit, and I'm just placing that basically purely under my eyes because I want that highlighter to really stand out but not look masky either. So I'm just placing it right under my eyes and I'm diffusing that into the skin, and as you can see, it's got a really nice glow to it. So now I'm using the loose powder. It's by Juvias Place in the shade Gobi, and I'm setting my under eyes, and I'm using something with a little bit of color because I really don't want it to be like boom wham, you know what I mean? Like I still want it to look good where you won't get flashback and all these things. and then I'm doing it all over the rest of my face where I have highlighted. So that's in my smile lines, my cupid's bow, my forehead, all these places. I'm just aiming to set it, and as I said, I packed it in. I don't necessarily bake in that sense. I don't really feel the need to do it. I'm also using the MERCIER powder, and I'm just using that to brighten up underneath my eye, because I realized I was supposed to take the shade Kalahari, but I ended up taking Gobi, which is not bad, but I just wanted a little bit of brightness, so I know that the MERCIER will give me what I want and it will give it to me very smoothly. So as you can see, I'm just patting that on. Now I'm just going back in with my foundation brush to make sure like I've carved out my contour, and then I'm setting it with the Sun Power bronzer on my face. It's such a gentle bronzer, and on top of that, it's not harsh. I do get a bit wary about having very harsh contour, so this, as you guys already know, I use this all the time. Like, it's a staple for me, and I'm just pressing that powder in everywhere. I'm also just gonna blend out that concealer. Did I just say concealer? No, that powder. That powder that I've done. I'm just blending that out, and yeah, like as you can see, it's brightened up underneath my eyes very beautifully, but it does not leave a white cast, which is what I love about MERCIER. I'm also just patting some of the product that I've used from my Used Beauty blender onto my eyes as a base, and I'm blending out some of that bronzer onto my crease line as a transitional shade. You can decide as to whether you're ready to stop there or add more eyeshadow. It's up to you. Well, I'm just taking that Sun Power and I'm using that to contour my nose ever so gently. As I always tell you, I hate harsh nose contour, and I'm connecting it with my eyeshadow. And as I have said before, I have basically just added more eyeshadow from the Juvias Place palette. It's just one color that I like to use, and then I've gone with my rosewater spray to set my face. I'm also using the MAC eye pencil in Smolder, and what this will do is basically really enhance the eye look and just give it a very smoky glam effect. And when you smoke out your eyeliner and using an eye pencil, it's just so simple, but at the same time it adds much more depth and dimension more than ever. So yeah, I always would recommend that than using a liquid liner if you want to add drama but subtly. So now I'm using my mascara, and I'm using that on my lash to prep my lashes for my real falsies. But I always do that not on camera because my face goes into some weird expressions. So this is the Taj Mahal blush from Nars. It's absolutely amazing, and it's quite shimmery and it's orange, as you can see, and I'm placing it on the apples of my cheeks and on the highest points of my forehead, in places where I do want it to shine, because it's like it's a blush slash highlighter and it's really bronzy. So I'm just placing that where I just want to get a little bit of a glowy bronze. And I'm using the Revolution highlighter, and I'm placing that on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose, just to really make my nose just be nice and snatched without it looking scary. And I'm placing some of that highlight just on the highest points of my cheeks, but I don't want to go too much on my cheekbones because I've already highlighted on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm doing it on my cupid's bow, ready for that lip gloss, my forehead and my inner tear ducts, just to open up my eyes. And yeah, I'm just gonna look really glowy and beautiful. So now what I'm doing, last but not least, is I am highlighting my brows. I'm carving up my brows with some concealer because I'm not particularly gonna pencil my brows and get a really sharp shape. I really want it to look natural and grown. What I am doing is I'm using the concealer to just give my natural brow some guidance and give it a bit of structure. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm rubbing that in and blending that out, and then using some highlighter to put it on the highest part of my brow bone, which will just really make my brows look wham and just make that eyeshadow look really nice and pretty. I'm using that highlighter again on the highest part of my cheekbones. I believe I used a different highlight at this point. Yes, it is definitely another highlighter, which I am going to put down below. But yeah, I'm just using that to further brighten up. And now I'm using my MAC chestnut pencil, my staple product. I mean, guys, if there's any other pencils you recommend, please tell me, because this is all a girl knows, you know, this is all a girl lives for. This is what I stand for, and I'm using that to line my lips. It's just an amazing staple product. It goes over a lot of colors and nude colors. And then I'm going in with this lip. It's not a lip gloss, it's matte, isn't it? It's a lipstick that I got from the hair shop, and I'm going in with my hair shop gloss. Guys, if this is an everyday thing, you don't need to waste money on like a MAC lip gloss when you can just go for a cheap product that will just get the job done. And to finish off the look, I am setting my brows with some eyebrow mascara, which will give me that depth. So if you guys love this look, please comment down below. I love this look, I enjoyed this look. Please let me know anything else you want to know or do, and I will see you guys later.